All right, I think we are on here. Yeah, I see you back there. Okay. Let's see how many people come on here in a second. Yeah, we see you back there, Heather. We see you. Okay, everybody, happy Workout Wednesday. We are going to do an EMON today. Okay, I'm going to give you 6 exercises. And basically what an EMON is, I'm going to give you 6 exercises like I just said. You have a minute to do each exercise. Whatever time you have left in that minute is your rest time. So if you get done the exercise in 20 seconds, you got 40 seconds to chill out. All right. We did this workout. I did this workout with the boys lacrosse team and also the girls lacrosse team. Did it with a couple clients, but we did 5 rounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to do it the EMOM. So exercise number 1 is 10 burpees. Exercise number 2 is overhead press. Exercise number 3 is hollow body. We'll show you each one of those. And the next one is 15 kettlebell swings. And then you're going to also do a leg curl with a ball, or if you have sliders, or even you can use socks. If you have on your kitchen floor, you can do this too. Of course, we have TRX rows, but if you don't have a TRX rows, you can be able to use your bands if you have bands at home, or you can also do the band pulls at home too as well. So those are different modifications that you guys can do. Oh yeah, also if you're going to do the dumbbell overhead press, you could use a med ball and just press over top of your head. Okay? Everybody good with that? So you're going to need a couple little things real quick, but we're going to go through each exercise, and then I'm going to use my what's that? You want to say? I'm going to explain in a second. Just chill out. This is Heather back here, you guys. So you saw her back there making faces. She had to get some attention real quick. But here, you got your introduction and all that stuff like that. Hopefully you're happy. Anyway, she's going to help us out and do some exercises with this too. She works here sometimes. Anyway, I'm going to start this clock, and then we're going to get going from here. And first exercise, we're going to do 10 burpees. Chest and thighs must touch the ground. And then I'll be able to look at the clock over here. I'm going to run over. She's probably going to start before me. But we're going to get started. We're going to do 10 burpees. And go. So we got that done in about 30 seconds. So we got about, 25 seconds to go to rest. And she look cute. All right, so now we got dumbbell overhead press, 15. You guys are having a good time. Your hair's all messed up. You got 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push it up. Good. Somebody cracking up. All right, the next one is a hollow body. These probably will take a lot out of you, but it probably takes the longest to do it. Heather's definitely a lot better at this than me. So if I mess it up, look at her. Don't look at me. All right? And we got 20 of these bad boys. Look at the clock. We got like 5 seconds. Here we go. What you got? So you're all day long, right? told you that one's going to take a little bit longer. So, kettlebell swings. Thought I was the one with bad eyes. Ready, ready. We got 15. Let's go. Good, 15. Break. Now, you got leg curls with the ball. Like I said, if you don't have a ball, you got socks on, go on your kitchen floor, put your feet on the floor, hardwood floors too, and slide your legs up here. All right? You see me? So we're up here and we're pulling. All right? We got 20. 5 seconds. Here we go. Keep your butt up. Good. Last but not least, your TRX rows or band pulls, whatever you got at home. If you don't have TRX rows, this is your last one. And we are going to do 15. You want to get your swing on back there? Yeah. Go that way. I'm just looking at the clock, guys. 10 seconds, guys. Last exercise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bang them out. There we go. All right, people. That's your 6 exercises that you're going to do. Now you're going to repeat that 4 more times, okay? You're going to do each exercise 5 times total, and it's going to take you about 30 minutes. Does that make sense? Okay? It's going to take 30 minutes. If you get that little bit of rest time in between, the hollow body is going to take probably the longest. It's going to get to you a little bit, but it should be only a 30-minute workout. Like I said, you got to make sure if you don't have some of this equipment, you could use bands. You could use for the dumbbell swings. For the kettlebell swings, you can use dumbbells, bands. If you don't have a Swiss ball at home, you could use your socks on hardwood floors, your kitchen floor, or just even a rag, and just keep your hips up and slide yourself back and forth like that. So I'm looking outside right now. It stopped snowing, and it looks like it's trying to pick up a little bit, but hopefully it's not a bust. But I know everybody's home from school and all that stuff like that, but hey, hopefully, hey, you're home from school and you're watching me. So hopefully that's going to help you guys out. But anyway, hopefully this stuff helped you real quick. Happy Workout Wednesday. Thank you, Miss Heather. And we're going to try to do this every Wednesday, do something a little different, give you guys a little bit more in your arsenal so that you guys can do stuff at home or at your gym and so on and so forth. If you know of any of your friends that may want to check this out, forward this to them on their page, or just let them forward it somewhere, and then we'll do that too as well. Oh, here we go. Let me see if I can say hello to everybody. How many people we got here? All right, we got a lot of people checking us out. We're kind of popular. Shanine, Blaze, Sam, Sue, Tamika, Lizette, Monica, Alvin, Frank, you're the man. Jeff, what's good? Muriel, Lizette again. Oh, from Jamaica. I don't like you right now, Lizette. Lauren, you walked right by me this morning after you did class this morning. But hello. Jody, thank you for coming out in this weather this morning. Bernie, you killed it yesterday. I know you think you were uncoordinated in kickboxing, but you got it done last night. Shanine, hello again. Yes, 10 burpees, Shanine. Jeff, EMON. Yeah, my Mansformation guys did this yesterday, so they're like, uh-oh, he's doing this junk again. Rashid, what's good? Jess, hello, in the Poconos. Brian, what's good? Nancy, Ant, that's my man, one of the best trainers I know. Sony, Sonia, Seisha, Kim, Edwich, Sante, went to college. Sonia, Mary, say hello to Sinead. What's this down there? Is that you saying hello? Sherry, what's good? Kyle, Shanine again, and Muriel. Everybody saying thank you. Hey, thank you. Hey, Brian, what's good, dude? No, I'm not getting a beer with you right now. No. Resist temptation. Resist temptation, people. You got to resist it. Anyway, thank you guys. People have a good snow day. Be careful. Drive. Don't drive like everybody else around you because no, everybody else can't drive. So be safe. Have a good day. Don't eat too much. Remember, if you're not doing a lot of activity, that doesn't mean you sit on the couch and eat a whole bunch of potato chips and you do a whole bunch of stuff like that. All right? Have a good day, people.
Bye.